Everyone is trying to get into Sora 2. It's the most powerful AI video model in the world, but it's locked behind an impossible invite code. You could spend hours hunting for those codes. Or you could use the secret method I found at the end this video. I'm revealing a secret method that unlocks Sora 2 completely free with unlimited generations, and you don't need any invite code at all. I'll also show you how to remove that annoying Sora watermark from all your videos for free. You don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Alright, let's begin by opening our web browser. The first and most important thing you need to do is connect your VPN to a USA location. For this, NordVPN is the best option. It works really well and has never let me down. The next step is to go to the Sora website. When you visit for the first time, it will ask you to set up an account starting with a username. I'll type one in now and then click Next. As you can see, it asks for an invite code. And that's the main problem I'm going to show you how to get around. I'll show you how to get access to Sora without needing an invite code. The method I'm about to show you doesn't need a code at all, and it lets you make unlimited videos for free.to start. Open a new tab and search on Google for Mind Video AI. This tool, Mind Video AI, is completely free and unlimited for Sora 2. Once you see the search results, click the first link to open its website on the homepage. You'll see many different options and video tools. Most of these are paid and use a credit system, but I'm going to show you how Sora 2 is completely free on this platform and exactly how to use it. I'll also tell you how to remove the watermark from Sora videos. Scroll to the top of the page and in the top right corner, find the Login for Free button. Click that and log in with your Google account. This is the main dashboard. As soon as you log in, a pop-up says, Sora 2 is live. Completely free. The site itself is telling you that the model is free and ready to use. Close the pop-up. On the left side menu, find and click on Text to Video. This will open the generator page. Now click on the drop-down menu where you select the model. You'll see a long list of all the models you can use. If you look closely at this list, you can see Sora 2 Free Beta as an option, while the other models show how many credits they cost. Next to Sora 2, it clearly says 0 credits. This means it's completely free and unlimited. Let me show you how it works. I'll type a prompt in here like you would on any other video generator. With the prompt typed in, I'll click the Create button. You'll see the task start generating. And just like that, the video is ready. I'll play it now so you can see for yourself that it was really made using the Sora model. Great, the video was made successfully. Now I'll give it a second prompt. This time I'll type a prompt to create a video of Sam Al using the cameo idea. Here, Sama is the username of Sam Altman at Sora 2. I've put in the prompt and started generating again. It finishes the video, and as you can see, it was made using Sora, not some other tool. You can clearly see the Sora watermark in the corner showing where it came from. Now don't worry. I'll also show you how to remove this watermark. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'll show you how to get a clean video from your Sora generations. To do this, open a new tab and search for Magic Eraser. Click the first link, magiceraser.org. When the site loads, you'll see it has many different tools. It's not just for video watermarks. You can also remove things from pictures. It's completely free and unlimited. From the top menu, go to Video Tools and choose Video Watermark Remover. Then upload your video. Once your video is loaded in the editor, just use the tool to draw a box over the spot where the watermark is. Play the video a bit to see if the watermark moves. If it does, pause and select the new area too. Keep doing this until all spots are selected. Now click the Remove Now button. The tool will start working, and as you can see, the watermark has been removed. Play the final video again to see the clean result. The tool perfectly removes the watermark. It's the best option for this. From here, you can click the download button to save your finished watermark-free video.so. That's the whole process. Alright, that covers the main tutorial on how to use Sora 2 for free. If this guide helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more secrets like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.